Hi, my name is Jack Walker. Um, so here's a little tour on my website. I decided to make one about my photography and just like my personal side hustle. Um, so I've been selling like pictures and prints that I've taken for a few years now, just to people I know and just kind of by word of mouth or Instagram if they follow me, whatever. But I actually wanted to just take advantage of this class and make my own website. So I made the logo right here, just simple. I wanted it to be kind of modern look. And then I decided to make the background image my own image. Um, for those of you that looked at my website before and milestone 2 or whatever it was, want um, the mock-up, it was super busy, different images, and it was like one big one and then three on the bottom. So I just decided to go grayscale, keep it easy, simple. I thought it looked pretty cool and modern. So made the logo and then I just thought I would have a gallery, so my presets here, my little bio, and then a place for customers to contact me. And then down here I would just take them to the best sellers, the newest ones I've added to the site, and then posters is more of my graphic design thing, so it's not photography, it's things like I wasn't able to add all of them because of the way they're set up in their original files. I didn't want to mess them up, but I added a few just so you can kind of see. But so yeah, we'll start with the gallery. Um, this is where the images will kind of be showcased. This one's still loading slowly. So I had type on here, and I know most websites are usually use type, but I just really liked the simple look. It's more of just, it's almost like looking through a museum instead of like shopping online. So the customers will be able to click on whatever one they like. There'll obviously be a lot more images on here. I just didn't want the file to be huge, so I just used 6, but they'll be able to click on whatever one they like, and then it'll give them options to buy um, from small sizes to huge wall prints. And then I was also thinking it'd be cool to like have a little option for them to be able to add like a frame or canvas, whatever way they want it to be showcased. So that's the gallery. um, this will be changing nonstop. Like I'm always taking new pictures and um, kind of tailoring to what people like. So most of my stuff is pretty beachy. I have some red rock and mountain type stuff that I think you'll see later, but it seems like most people in Utah wish they were California beach people, and palm trees and water and stuff is just pretty perfect to put on a wall anyways. So I think that this would be pretty cool for my target audience, which is St. George, um, and then just kind of south, like could go California, but just nature lovers. Most of my photography is nature. Um, so yeah, that's the gallery. And then we'll go to presets. This is where a lot of photographers make their money on presets. You can sell packs of whatever, how many you want to sell. This is just, I kind of made these names up for different looks that I have. So this first one, Blossom, it's really bright. Um, and then this one, I named it Red Dusk just because of this image. The matte, just super flat, dull colors. Pretty cool. And then this one, you can't see the name, the screen recording's cutting it off, but this one's called Juice. This one is Dead. And then this one with the airplane is Summer Film. This was shot in Mexico. So I actually know, you probably have heard of the girl, her name's Teza. She started selling presets and now it's $1 million company, and she is so successful just because of a few presets that people just had to have. So thought this was a cool little addition. They'll be able to click on these images, whatever style they like, and then once they're in there, there will be more examples where the preset had been used, and price and cart and whatever, where you want to download it to, mobile, laptop. And these will be Lightroom presets, by the way. So next, my story, just kept it simple. A little picture of me and then a little bio. Didn't want it to be too much because, I don't know, I didn't want it to seem like the website was about me. It's about bringing the images to people. So just about me growing up in Utah and the impact California had on me growing up. So if people want to know about me, that's where they'll go. And then contact, I chose not to put anything in here yet, just because I'm gonna plan on just making it a drop down menu, and then it'll just have my Instagram tag, number, and email just available for them to click on. But I didn't really want to put my personal information on here quite yet, so that's what that will be. And that's one of the things that still needs work on the website. So if we go back to the main page, so wants me to talk about the feedback and what changes I made to the site. So I kind of went over it, and it was just how busy this thing was, and it was all color. And then I visited a few websites of photographers that I look up to, and they were all really simple. So that's the kind of look I went for. And the thing I'm most proud of on this website is I actually really like the logo I made for myself, but I just like the way the gallery looks and how these images complement each other. I think it's super enjoyable for the customer, and hopefully people like this one day and I can be successful with it. I think that's about it. Thank you.